and the Flamacue. Flamacue, so it has a flam at the beginning and at the end. So we get flam, trip, d, d, d. So flam, 1, 2, 3, flam. Flam, 1, 2, 3, flam. And the important thing actually about Flamacue is that it has an accent after the first flam. So you get bra, ba, 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 bra. Bra, ba, 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 bra. So again, when you speed it up, bra, ba, 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 bra, bra, ba, 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 bra. So it can be nice if you're playing a style of music that has some accents on the offbeats, so maybe funk music. And you might want to play that flam between like a high tom and a snare drum, bra, ba, 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 boom, something like that. So again, you can really easily move that around the kit and just use your own creativity, try and find ways that you can slip some of these in, because sometimes it just makes your experience at the gig a little bit more interesting. If you're just playing a pop gig or something and it's just you know, 2 and 4 on the snare, if you can, without overplaying, kind of slip one of these rudiments in, it can, you know, be a nice little challenge for you on the gig as well. And the Flamacue.